Have you ever wondered how connector manufacturers ensure that every single connector meets strict dimensional requirements? When production lines are producing dozens or even hundreds of parts every minute? The answer is online vision inspection systems. Using industrial cameras, specialized lighting, and image processing algorithms, machine vision replaces manual inspection to automatically measure, identify, and evaluate products. Today, this technology is widely used across precision manufacturing industries, including electronics, automotive, and medical devices. In connector manufacturing, vision inspection is integrated throughout nearly the entire production process, from mold machining and terminal stamping to electroplating, automated assembly, and final packaging. With customized inspection programs for different production stages, machine vision plays a critical role in quality control. Its advantages can be summarized in 3 key areas. First, higher efficiency. Modern connector production requires extremely high throughput. An online vision inspection system can capture and analyze product images almost instantly, inspecting dozens or even hundreds of connectors every second, far beyond the capability of manual inspection. Second, greater precision. Connectors are precision electronic components that demand extremely tight tolerances for molds, dimensions, terminal spacing, and assembly quality. For example, during connector mold manufacturing, dimensional tolerances are typically controlled within plus or minus 0.005 millimeters, while machining accuracy can reach 0.002 millimeters, well beyond what the human eye can consistently verify. By combining high-resolution industrial cameras with advanced image processing algorithms, vision systems can perform micron-level measurements and detect even the smallest dimensional deviations before they become quality issues. Third, intelligent data collection and analysis. Vision inspection does much more than simply identify defects. Every inspection result is automatically recorded, including product dimensions, defect types, defect locations, production batches, and other manufacturing data. These valuable datasets enable manufacturers to achieve quality traceability, yield analysis, early abnormality detection, continuous process optimization. For connector manufacturers, online vision inspection is far more than an automated inspection tool. It improves production efficiency, ensures dimensional accuracy, and provides comprehensive production data for quality traceability and manufacturing optimization.